Okay guys, keep watching because I'm gonna show you how to make this a very delicious quick cod with turmeric. It's so freaking delicious. You have to try this at home. Okay, oil 1 to 2 spoon. Today I have only shrimp base, so I'm gonna put shrimp base. Okay, 1 spoon of shrimp base here. If you wanna just use salt, by all means use salt. So we're gonna use bumbu kuning, 4 teaspoon. Okay, 1 2 3 4 spoon of yellow seasoning. Dark, mix it, everything. Very good. I think the saltiness is fine. So next, this is the cod. It's a cod fillet with no skin, and it's 6 to 8 ounces. All right. So what you need to do, put it inside here. You need to body wrap. I call it body wrap, like this. We're gonna do like half cup of water, okay? And then we're gonna put your red pepper here, onion, mix it. Make sure you have the flavors on the onion and red pepper. Your tomato too, okay? Put the tomato there, put the tomato there. Mix it, very good. What you need to put first is the veggies at the bottom so the fish don't get burned. Put the veggies first here, okay? There at the bottom. That's the base. So then you put your fish on the top so they don't get burned. Then you can put the veggie on the top. Then whatever you have left, just pour it on the top of the fish. What you need to do, you just need to find tapadera and put on the top. We need to check the fish 10 to 15 minutes, okay? So in between of your cooking time, so you can add more water so the fish don't get burned. This is how you check your fish. If you have a how you call this, skewer, when it's easy for you to poke it down, that's cooked, okay? Bueno. Potato patties at the bottom, then we put the fish on the top of that, and tomatoes, red pepper and onion just put on the top so you have that spark of the color, so it's look nice. And then just pour some of your sauce around. Here we are, cod turmeric with bumbu kuning, which is the yellow seasoning. If you like this recipe, click the link below. You're gonna find more details about this recipe, and of course you're gonna find a ton of my recipe there you can try at home. Go click now. Go now.